Ready? Start. Heard Mr. Anil Kumar Tripathi, learned counsel for the applicant, and Mr. M.C. Chaturvedi, learned additional advocate general, assisted by Mr. Rajesh Mishra, learned AGA, appearing on behalf of the state of UP and peruse the record. Full stop para. On 30/7/2021, the following order was passed. It is pointed out by learned counsel for the applicant that the statement under section 164 CRPC of the victim was recorded on 4/12/2020, wherein she has made allegations of rape against the Bhule applicant and co-accused Badal, but thereafter investigating officer has recorded the second statement of victim on 7/12/2020, in which she has assigned the role of committing rape only against the applicant, and so far as co-accused Badal is concerned, she has stated that she earlier had made allegation of rape against co-accused Badal on the advice of her counsel. Full stop. On the said statement, co-accused Badal has been charge sheeted only under section 366 IPC. Full stop para. It has been vehemently urged by learned counsel for the applicant that after recording statement under section 164 CRPC, there was no occasion for the investigating officer to record the second statement of the victim under section 161 CRPC. The investigating officer has not conducted fair investigation and his collusion with co-accused Badal, in order to minimize the gravity of offence against him, recorded the second statement of the victim on 7/12/2020. Full stop. It is also argued that under the facts and circumstances of the case, as mentioned above, statement of victim cannot be said to be reliable as the same does not inspire confidence in the eyes of law. Full stop. Therefore, the applicant is also entitled to be released on bail. Full stop para. In response, learned AGA opposed the bail but could not point out any statutory provision that after recording the statement under section 164 CRPC, investigating officer can record the second statement of the victim under section 161 of CRPC. Full stop para. Put up this case on 4/8/2021. Full stop. On the next date, investigating officer of this case shall appear in person before this court and file an affidavit, explaining that why the second statement of the victim was not recorded by audio, video, electronic means. Full stop. The instant order shall be communicated by the learned AGA to the concerned investigating officer within 72 hours. Full stop para. Pursuant to above order dated 30/7/2021 of this court, Mr. Raj Kishore, investigating officer of this case, presently posted as station house officer, Police Station Phulpur, District Prayagraj, who is personally present before this court, has filed an affidavit of compliance dated 3/8/2021 and an application dated 9/8/2021 seeking exemption of his personal appearance in this case, through Mr. Rajesh Mishra, learned AGA. Full stop para. Mr. M.C. Chaturvedi, learned additional advocate general, appearing for the state of UP, submits that after recording the statement under section 164 CRPC of the victim prosecutrix on 4/12/2021, her second statement under section 161 CRPC was recorded on 7/12/2021 by the investigating officer in good faith in discharge of his duty as provided in paragraph number 107 of the police regulations. Full stop. He also submits that there is no bar for recording second statement of the victim prosecutrix. Full stop. On putting a specific query regarding compliance of first and second proviso to section 161 CRPC,